Hey everybody, I just wanted to get this video sent out to you for our promotion binders. Anyway, what you want to do is you want to go into the Office 365 email. So you notice my fun stuff here. And then if you click up here in the box that has all of the apps, if you click into it, you go to your OneDrive. You should see the promotion files because I've shared it with all of you, promotion files 2017-2018. And when you get here, you will see everybody's promotion binder. We do not have promotion binders from a few people that are here. Their names are here, but we do not have promotions from them. So just kind of ignore those ones. I'm just not deleting them out at the moment. When you get into your binders, what you do is you click on it. Let's go into Audrey's. And you're going to see that we have the appendix, then that section 1, that tab 1 is cover page, tab 2 Vita, tab 3 is transcripts, then there's the philosophy section, external service, performance planning, instruction, etc., all the way down. Okay, so everything is there. You don't necessarily need to worry about these two documents here at the bottom either. So if you click on the cover page, you'll click into it, and all that you have to do is open it up. And I'm going to move this over here a second. And you're going to see that we have Audrey, promotion to assistant professor 2017-2018. So her document is completed and done. To navigate out of this particular document, what you have to do is click on it. Here, hold on, moving stuff around. Click on it, and then it'll take you back to the cover page, and then just come up here and click on her name. If you click on Vita, you're going to see it has the various sections under Vita. So there's section A, B, C, and D. So you can go under personal information, and this is section 2. And right there's her information, and everybody's is set up the same way, just like last year. I loaded this document in for everybody, and literally all they've done is they've gone in and they've edited it right here on the computer. They haven't even downloaded them. If you keep going into her Vita, she'll have her education, and that information is right here for her, and it kind of goes through the whole process. If you go into her transcripts, you'll see that when you click on it, she lists where her transcripts are from on the narrative part of it, and then she has the transcripts loaded for her here. And they're loaded up for you so that you can look at all of her transcripts. And these come directly from the HR department, so we have everything for her, which is fantastic. I'm going to delete that again. Oh, I made a big boo-boo. Hold on 1 second for me, and I'll fix it. Okie dokie, boo-boo fixed. And I'm back. Aren't you so happy for that? Anyway, everybody kind of keeps going through this process. You go into philosophy. There's one document that might have samples. It might say samples for it. This one will be uploaded October 6th. That's when I loaded everything up. And then here is her actual one. I'm not going to keep moving the screen over, so sorry for only the half view of it. I want to go into probably the one folder that's going to be the most different for everyone, and that is instruction. What Audrey did for hers, was she has her instruction document down here where she lists her, she has her stuff here. She puts her information in here as well. And her documentation for her classes, or her documentation, is she has syllabi, lesson plan, and reflections. Okay. What she did in her organization was she kind of put it in here. So English 101 syllabi, she has her syllabi for the classes, she has her course evaluations, lesson plans, she ordered them by these, and then teaching loads, and then she has her classroom observations, and she has sample assignments. I know this isn't the way it's been done in the past where everything's going to be 100% behind it, like it would be in the binder where you look at it, you flip the page, and hell, here's the next thing that goes in line. Instead, we're just going to have to look through these folders, look through them, and see assignments that she has provided for her students. I know I'm going to go into somebody else's right now that I know did theirs a little bit differently. I'm going to go into Stacy's. She organized her instruction a little bit differently. What she did was she set hers up by the actual year. So like if we click into this year, she has her teaching schedules, syllabi, her course evaluations for that particular year. I know she is still adding stuff for us as she goes along. But everything is here. And she has one generic folder for sample assignments and lesson plans, and then she has her write-up for information. So pretty much what we need to do for everybody, what I'm noticing is it will be difficult for us. Let me bring her back up again. You know, if we want to edit information directly into these, we can do that. But what you're going to have to do is kind of change your text to a different color, which you can come up here to font color and maybe make it red. And then anything that you would want to add for any particular comments, kind of do it in a red if you could. It will make it so that the faculty member will know exactly what needs to get changed. This is the big challenge with it not being Post-it notes, but we would be writing it directly into there for us. But this is pretty much what we're doing for the folders. Again, I'm going to go back to the master list of folders here. We have one, I'm going to check them. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 total. And there are the 4 of us on the committee. I've already seen most of them, but I will take more of them. I'm more than welcome to it. Please know that some letters of recommendation are still coming in. Some classroom observations are also still coming in, and those are mostly from me, I'll be honest with you, because I've just been kind of slammed with another project that I've been handed that I needed to do this month on top of everything else. I will have my letters in there as soon as possible. I also do know that there are a couple of PPEs for this year that are outstanding because deans just have not been able to get to them yet. But I have let them know that they need to get us those things by the 19th at the absolute latest. That doesn't mean we can't start reviewing this stuff. So what I would like is for you to go through the assigned file folders that I'm going to assign you in the email, and make comments in writing and email me when you have finished those. Last year, what we did was we met on a Friday and everybody knew what their changes were by the following Monday, and I would like to be able to provide that respectfully to our faculty again this year. So I'm looking here at the calendar, so tomorrow's the 2nd. If we could have feedback to them by the 5th, and then have us try to come back together again on the 16th. That's when I want to have faculty resubmit to us on the 16th, so we can have any last-minute recommendations to them, you know, by the 19th or 20th, because their binders are due by the 26th. So, if you find you run into anything really challenging, a major question that you might have, I will have the Skype open, and you're more than welcome to call me, pick up the phone, text me, email me, whatever, and we can make a decision as a group. I would like us to try to have the 16th be with all of us together, if at all possible, because I think it'll be beneficial for us. Plus, we also have to do signatures and things as well for making our recommendations. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Thanks for everything. I appreciate it. Bye.